Hi, welcome to Lakeland's Transfer Center. I'm Lori Shuck, Transfer Center Assistant. For many students, Lakeland is the first step on their higher education journey. Students can save on the cost of their education by completing the first 2 years of a bachelor's degree with us, and then transferring credits to most four-year colleges or universities. Lakeland Community College is nationally accredited by the Higher Learning Commission, and our courses are recognized by all other accredited colleges across the country. That means the credits from Lakeland can transfer to private or out-of-state institutions. Depending on the major, students may be able to stay at Lakeland to finish their four-year degree by participating in a partnership program offered at Holden University Center. Lakeland's Transfer Center assists students in all phases of transferring college credits to and from Lakeland Community College. We can help students research four-year institutions, investigate programs of study, complete the steps to transferring credits to Lakeland, and help submit and track transcripts when sent to another college. We also maintain a calendar of regularly scheduled visits, either in person or virtually, by other college or university representatives, and host a college transfer fair. If your goal is to start at Lakeland and then complete a bachelor's or graduate degree at a four-year institution, let us help you define your destination and clarify the steps to your path.